My name is Vadini. I am assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about a comparative view of AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI source. This is a basic diagram which tells us the detailing of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human learning, problem solving, decision making, creativity, and autonomy. AI involves techniques that equip computers to emulate human behavior, enabling them to learn, make decisions, recognize patterns, and solve complex problems in a manner to akin to human intelligence. Applications and devices equipped with AI can see and identify objects. They can understand and respond to human language. They can learn from new information and experience. Let's continue with the machine learning. As you have seen, the outer cover is artificial intelligence. Now we'll come to machine learning. It is a simple way to think about AI is as a series of nested, or we can say derivative concepts that have emerged over than 70 years. Directly underneath AI, we have machine learning, which involves creating models by training an algorithm to make predictions or decision-based data. Just for the definition, machine learning is a subset of AI used advanced algorithm to detect pattern in large data sets, allowing machines to learn and adapt. Machine learning algorithms used supervised or unsupervised learning methods. There are many types of machine learning techniques or algorithms, which includes linear regression, logistic regression, Bayesian table, Bayesian trees, random forest, support vector machines, k nearest neighbor, clustering, and many more. Each of these approaches is suited to different kinds of problem and data. Let's continue with deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which uses neural networks called deep neural networks, and these artificial intelligence neural networks to extract high level features from raw input data and simulating the way human brains perceive and understand the world. Because deep learning doesn't require human intervention, it enables machine learning at a tremendous scale. It is well suited to NLP, computer vision, and other tasks to involve the fast, accurate, and identification complex patterns and relationship in large amount of data. How deep learning enables, like semi-supervised learning, self-supervised learning, reinforcement, transfer learning. The last but not the least is generative AI. Generative AI is a superset of DL, as it's in the diagram also. It's a superset of DL models that generate the content like text, images, or code based on provided input trained on vast datasets. These models detect patterns and create outputs without explicit instruction. using a mix of supervised and unsupervised learning. Generative AI, sometimes we also called Gen AI, which refers to the deep learning models that can create complex original content, where we can say long form text, high quality images, realistic videos or audios or more in response to users' prompt or request. At the highest level, generative models encode a simplified representation of their training data and then draw from the representation to work and create the new work that's similar but not identical. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank